Right, yesterday went on a little hike with a bunch of friends on a ranch up north of here on the Jefferson River, near where John Colter, who was part of the Lewis and Clark expedition, was captured in the latter part of the 1806 to 1809 period by some Blackfeet Indians on this river and in this area. And he was forced to run naked for his life. And it was a great story of survival in that. Anyway, we got permission to go on this ranch up north, and it was just an amazing adventure. And just wanted to share some of the sights and sounds or some of the scenes of that little hike from yesterday. These are wiki-ups that were built by this gentleman that we're out here with. He built them about 10 years ago out of the deadfall. And he'd bring his family out here and they'd actually sleep in these things. The girls would sleep on one side and the guys would sleep in the other. And you can see inside here. I don't know if you can see or not, but it's pretty cool. Back in here. And they built another one over here. But this is something a mountain man would build out in the wilderness because they needed something that could go up quick and protect them from the weather, and this would be perfect, and the smoke would just go right up through the roof. Well, as we were walking, and I eventually we were coming to a little depression in the ground, and we were going down it. And at the bottom of it, my foot hit the ice, and I went for a tumble. And so I'm hurting today, and that's the reason why I'm not sculpting today, because I'm resting my leg. So it'll be a couple of days before I get back to sculpting, and because I dare not try to carry the clay into my studio, in my bedroom, until I can do it without possibly dropping it. All right, I'll see you when I see you. Hope you enjoyed this little trip on a northern Montana ranch.